What is up, guys? Trivia Express here, and today I will be showing you guys how to make the best breakfast ever. So yeah, please enjoy. And also, before the video begins, use my supporter creator code Trivia Express. We are legit $2.10 away from 100. And also, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications. Guys, we're getting closer and closer each day to 2,000 subscribers. So we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Please enjoy this video. Alright, so what you will need is some chocolate chip waffles. Doesn't matter, but I'm using Eggo chocolate chip waffles. Then you will need some whipped cream, powdered sugar, and sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, as you could tell. So what you're gonna want to do is take your waffles out of your bag, open it up. Look, the waffles right here. Pop them in the toaster oven. I'll pop them in the toaster. And yeah, I'm going to heat them up. And when they're done heating up, I will see you in a sec. Alright, so the waffles are done. Let's take them out of the toaster. And I'm going to put it like this. So what you're going to want to do first, take some whipped cream, and guys, this is red whipped cream. I did not know there was not anything left in the other one. So basically, what you're gonna want to do is you just put some whipped cream all around the waffle. Actually, it would be better. Just like that. Put some whipped cream on it. Now, what I'm gonna do, get some powdered sugar and dump some powdered sugar There's powdered sugar. And now, I just want to put some sprinkles. And look at that. Delicious. Now, what we're gonna do is eat. Guys, this is fire. There's one waffle. Add some chocolate milk for when I'm done with this. So good. Oh shit. Bro. It is a little bit messy. Now, we will drink some chocolate milk. Horizon. If I can even open the straw. Horizon original chocolate milk. Hold up. Alright, so there, that's what it looks like now. Squished and empty. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Share the video with your friends and tell them to like and subscribe. And guys, ready? Look, I'm gonna show you. This is my laptop, the laptop that I play on. And look, as you can see, there's the window. You see, recognize the outside. So yeah, this is where I play Fortnite, right over here. So yeah, and this is my dad's, not mine. So I do not drink. That's my dad's. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, share, peace, and I will see you guys in my next video. So enjoy your life for now, if you can. Peace.